um, culture and the tolerance and the diversity and the love and the peace city. Amazing country. Ethiopia is very amazing.
Wow, thank you. Calm down. I heard Africa is beautiful. I've heard, what
Please
is
come
it,
visit
Cape Verde?
Ethiopia.
I think I've heard of Cape Verde, but I don't, not Utopia.
This country is
Yeah.
too much mountain and the cave. Uh, wow, amazing. Ethiopia is very amazing country.
Is it beautiful? Do y'all have beaches? Beaches? The water,
It's
ocean, the
very, very,
beach?
very beautiful. Beautiful beach, beautiful mountain, in the cave.
Wow.
Too much, very, very. Lubu lubu, lubu lubu. Ethiopia is amazing.
Oh, that sounds so beautiful. Wow, you live somewhere nice, huh? What about the food? The food?
Ethiopia. Yeah, it's very good. Do you want to visit Ethiopia?
Maybe one day. I want to travel one day. And that might be one of the places I go to too. I want to go to a lot of different places.
Yes, come on, please.
We need 3 roses, you guys.
You are single?
Yes, I am. I am single. But you look married. You have a wife.
Wow.
Or no?
What is chance? Wow.
Are you married? Because you have a woman
What is
next to
chance?
you. Have I ever been to Louisiana? No, I've never been to Louisiana, but I've been to Alabama. Yes, I am single.
Wow, this beautiful is very, very single. Wow, just like me single.
Too cute.
Two single is come.
Go. Say it again.
Wow, single. Talah baredun single. Lagi jam. Ini roman dabani.
Yeah.
Tenya ko fatid.
Got
Topya ko
times 3.
fatid. Diaspora bitu jari defen gala fuda mare dalam baredun.
Thank you, Juju. What's up, too? Happy birthday. Happy Friday. What the fuck? What is wrong with me today? Y'all, I need to
guys,
eat. Problem is. Happy birthday. Fuck.
Everybody
My daughter looks at me like, what the hell?
Kanadam baranan dendam ne gifted. What is the top one?
Shit, happy birthday. What the hell? Jew, I guess you got an early birthday, man. Shit. We got ×3, y'all. Thank you for hitting that ×3. Bless you guys, for real. Thank you. Happy birthday. Jeez.
Turinako.
Tommy, thank you.
What these people is very gifted. Too much gifted.
Let's go. You got the smoke over there. I love it. Let's go. Tap in. Yeah, tired a little bit. But I can't get too tired.
Danisha. Danica.
Yes, love. What's up? Yes, what's up?
You are single, right?
I am single, but I'm married to me. I married myself.
Oh, please, not
crazy?
marry yourself. Please, I'm stay here.
Is that your wife right there? She's the first bubble.
If in a no, I'm single. What you married yourself?
I married myself. I had to. I'm married. I love myself. I think I'm amazing.
What is
I had to marry myself. What do you mean?
I buy for you diamond ring, please. Chill with me.
I had to marry myself. That day I realized I
want
was
to
an
marry
amazing person.
What is
You are married. You are married. I see your wife in the picture.
No, I'm single. No, that picture is my brother.
That is not your brother.
That picture.
That is your sister.
If you marry me, I buy for you diamond rings.
No, you won't.
Timing, you guys. We need.
No, you won't. Anybody can say that. Anybody can say that.
What is people?
I can't believe this guy. He's trying. He's trying. I married myself, okay?
Guys, Azuko. Yes. What is people? What is people? Wow.
Oh my God, you and your stick. I'm dead. Shout out to Calm Down. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, J. King, Christian, Edward, Bob. Appreciate you. You won, okay? God bless you.
I'm not okay because love you.
Why? Why aren't you okay? You should be
What do
okay.
you lose if you love me?
Why should I love you?
Because don't lose me. Chill with me, please. I love you so much.
You married your wife. That's who you love.
No,
That's who
man,
you should love.
this is my brother. Please
That is
understand
not
me.
your
What
brother.
is
Okay, that's not your brother. That's your sister. Okay, if we're gonna go there, that's your sister. That's a woman.
what is people? American woman is very smart, very lovely woman, is very amazing people. What you are married yourself? What? Why? Also,
Hard-headed?
lulu katan.
Because I'm not like everybody else. This is different. You ran into a different person. This is a whole different person. You never ran into somebody like me. I'm just saying. I'm for real too. I'm not playing.
I'm not your favorite boy.
What?
I'm not your favorite boy.
You're not my favorite boy? I mean, you're cool. But you're married.
Yes, I'm. Yes. Yes.
You are
thank
married. You
Yes.
should be proud to be married.
Wow. Thank you. وانا ما في تنسير درونج زي ما ادري غسنياتا.
He's talking shit.
You're a small girl or tall woman?
I'm 3 foot. I'm short.
You are short?
I'm a little person.
Please stand up. I want to see you.
I'm 3 feet tall. You don't like me anymore or what?
I
You
love
put
tall
nothing.
woman is very love.
Nah, T-Mac, I respect all cultures. Are you kidding me? My mother's
Okay,
Puerto Rico.
how okay.
He can
listen,
marry.
okay,
Listen,
how
listen. He can marry and do whatever he wants. We're having fun. We're playing around. That's what it's all about. Don't take this
Aisha
all
Magi
seriously.
Chajit.
It's not that
Dafa
serious.
jalat wani biyalat is ner kanne gilifata ko kanu gargar tani dafa ko manti jalat. What is people?
No, T-Mac, relax. Relax, T-Mac. Is his wife going to be okay
Do
with
you know
another wife?
Kurta?
Huh?
Do you know Kurta?
No, who is that?
Kurta is this one.
Your stick? Is it a magic stick or what?
Yes, magic stick, king stick.
It's a king stick. What does it do? Ask him
Yes,
more.
I'm king of Ethiopia. I'm king of Ethiopia, Oromo boy.
You're single?
Yeah.
T-Mac, no. T-Mac, listen. T-Mac, you don't even know what you're
Ule
talking about.
ismati etano ma ismati.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Your body is very sexy.
Did you really go to the shower and put those straight in the washing machine?
Sadim ba isa guys? Aisha ta kafani sigir nasjala. Aisha yui.
Y'all, let's go. Let's go, baby. Tap in.
Do you love football?
Football?
Azuko.
Yeah, I like football.
Aisha ko.
I like football. I like
Yeah, do you
soccer.
know?
I like basketball too. I like both.
Okay. Who plays your favorite players?
In football, I go for my dad's team was Gamecocks, so that was my father's team. I can't really say any other team. That's who I go for. I don't think you know who that is though. Who's your team? Who are your favorite? Who's your favorite players? Who's your favorite players? Who's your favorite team?
No. Messi.
Nice.
Yeah.
But who's your favorite player though?
Yeah. My favorite player is Messi, Lami Yamal, Rafina. Oh, it's too much.
What up, Alan? Oh, you got a lot. You got a lot. Oh, that's why you got that shirt on. I see your shirt. I see your shirt. You got the soccer shirt on.
Haruk of
Wow,
Dilaper.
fire. Thank you for the taps.
Is your work
Okay,
Haruk Laper Hangab Don Kumberi?
we're done. We're done with you guys. We're done. We don't have any more people, love. We lost, but it's okay. It was nice to battle you.
Too much my country people is married Danica. I support you. Every people is go to married. Why?
Well, it was very nice to meet you, and God bless you. Good job on this game. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. Take care, love.
Bye. Masih bakiyan.